guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, liked this video and subscribed to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you guys how to grow on Instagram on your business page. If you do not have a business Instagram, please go make that right now, okay? Before we get into it, you must have a business page. You must have a website. You must have a unique idea, a product, or whatever you want to sell, and you must have some money to start off to pay for your website and all that good stuff. If you do not have none of that, then you might as well just log off this video. Because we're already trying to grow on Instagram. You should already have an Instagram and trying to be looking for growth, okay? Period. So we're going to get into it, okay? So if you're not ready to post every day, then you might as well exit. Because posting every day is key. You can't just post every blue moon when you want to, when you feel like it, when you think you just be like, oh, well, I forgot to post today. Let me go ahead and post. Or like after 3-4 days, oh, did I post today? It can't be like that. You gotta post every day, 3 times a day, at least 2 to 3 times a day, maybe 4 times a day. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you all the juice. Okay, some stuff that you can probably post: your logo, starting off. Excuse me. First thing you can post is your logo, you explaining your business, you introducing yourself, you know what I'm saying, stuff like that, inventory, and you know what I'm saying, stuff like that to get started. So don't post random memes. Do not post random memes. Like, if it's not pertaining to your business, like if it's not your products in the memes, I feel like you shouldn't post it. Like, you can post it for inspo, you can do it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it gets you, like, you know what I'm saying, followers and stuff like that. But I don't know. I don't know. I don't know about that one. So content for your brand. So if I have some phone cases, right, and like I have the same type of phone case, different color, right? So I'm going to be like, oh, you know, left or right, pink or blue. I'm going to do it like, you know, I'm going to have them together. I'm going to take them separately. I'm going to do videos with them. You know what I'm saying? That's at least 5 posts that you can do with just 2 or 3 products. You get what I'm saying? It's really easy, guys. Hashtags. Use at least 15 hashtags on your post that's pertaining to your business. Like if your post is like beaded bracelets, be like beaded bracelets, bangles, charm bracelets, stuff like that that's in your niche. Do not do like random hashtags like clothing brand or I don't even know, just random stuff that don't even pertain to your business. Just don't do it. Just don't do it. It's not gonna work. Because like, why would you do that? Because then you're gonna be like in front of a different audience that you don't even need to be in front of. You're trying to get in front of your target audience. Like, say for instance, some people follow that hashtag. You know what I'm saying? You can you know what I'm saying, be seen by that your target audience, which is the people that you need to be seen by. Potential customers, period. Okay, so but having followers is cool, but having followers is really not even the main goal. Your main goal is not really to just focus on followers. I know you want to grow your Instagram, cool, but you want to grow your Instagram with people, potential customers, not just followers. You know what I'm saying? Your followers need to be potential customers, i.e. getting in front of your target audience, so when they do follow you, they are interested in your product. You know what I'm saying? Not just following you off strength or businesses, having a lot of businesses follow you. Having businesses follow you is cool, but your focus is not selling to other businesses unless you're a wholesale business. If you're not a wholesale business, if you're not trying to appeal to other businesses, having a lot of businesses follow you really don't do you no good. I mean, building relationships with other businesses, yes. And next, doing shout out for shout out can be a way to grow on Instagram with other businesses that have the same following as you or a little more. Just like if you have 1,000 followers, don't be trying to ask nobody with 10K to give you a shout out, because 9 times out of 10 they're gonna be like, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes people be acting funny, sometimes people mess with you and all that good stuff. Find followers on your own. You can potentially follow followers on your own. Like you can go to your niche, not your niche, but you can go to like let's see, you can go to like people tag their colleges. You can go to that hashtag and you can find people that's in college and just kind of like their pictures, go to see who they're following and stuff like that, and see who following them, potential other girls that's in college, if that's the age groups you want to get in. It's like ways to, it's a lot of ways to find followers. It's a lot of ways to find followers. And another way that you can gain followers and grow on Instagram is send your products to influencers or have influencers give you a promo. We're not going to talk too much on promo with influencers because I had a whole little story and people still watching that story on TikTok. Like, I'm like, people still liking this video? Like, that was so long ago. But yeah, so I don't no longer send my products to influencers to do promo. The most I would probably do is pay them to post something, but I feel like that's not even effective no more. Honestly, I'm going to tell you guys what I feel like is more effective as well, but you guys can try this method, okay? They do work in some ways, you know what I'm saying? Post reels, that's what's next. You cannot just post photos of your products all the time. You can't. Like, people want to see your product in action. People want to see how you use your product. People want to see, like, you making your product behind the scenes. If you doing business, you packing orders, you going to the post office, stuff like that. A lot of stuff. They want to see it. Do it in a reel, you know what I'm saying? What I do, I make my videos on TikTok, and then what I post on TikTok, I post on Instagram. Sometimes I do make videos with Instagram, but it's kind of weird to me to make my reels on Instagram. So I take my TikToks and I post them as reels. So that is a great way to just, you know what I'm saying, build your followers. So I already gave you the real ideas. Okay, so random tips that I can give you guys. I mean, I kind of said it in my other video, but post at specific times. When you're trying to grow, you need to be posting more than one time a day. You need to be posting at least 3 times a day. Post at 12 p.m., 3 p.m., and 6 p.m. Those are the key times that I post on Instagram, okay? Sometimes I'll be a little late. Sometimes I'll be a little shaky, okay? Sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Oh, no. I'll be a little late, but during the summer months you can post later, like at 9 sometimes. Lately I have been posting at 9 and 10 o'clock sometimes, and it has been working. So I already said the shout out for shout out. And next is, and the last tip I'm going to give you guys is encourage your customers, your followers, and all that stuff. Okay, so encourage your customers when they get their product to take a picture, send it to you so you can post it on your page, or they can post it on their page and tag you. So that's another way you can get followers, because people that seeing their story can come look at you if they like what they see and all that good stuff. Have people share your post on Instagram, like be like, oh, have your followers interact with your post, share your post with their friends or families and stuff like that. Encourage people to share your stuff. A share goes a long way. Even if a person cannot purchase at the moment, sharing a post goes a long way. So if you like see one of those posts, be like, it's nothing to share our post or like our post, post it on your story or something like that. Also, I don't know if I went over this, so when creating your content, you must have good lighting. You must have a quality camera like your iPhone, have a blank background, don't have too much going on in the background so they can focus on your product. I don't know if I went over this, but I don't know, but I'm gonna do it again. So yeah, so when you're posting, you know what I'm saying, have great lighting, don't have a dark video, make it, you know what I'm saying, appealing to your audience, have switch up your content here and there, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, I feel like I touched on everything. I think I did. Oh yeah, do giveaways. Okay, so another way that you can gain followers as well is do giveaways. So once you reach a mark, or once you're trying to reach a mark, or once you're coming up on a mark, like say for instance that you're at like 900 followers and your goal is 1,000, like start trying to do a giveaway. Be like, oh, once we reach 1,000 followers, we're gonna be doing a giveaway. So make a post saying that. Do a giveaway and make rules to where like people must follow you, they must share this post on their story and encourage other people to see it and come to the giveaway and participate and stuff like that. That's how another way you can get a lot of followers as well. So I gave you a lot of gems in this video. We also have an ebook, and it's also in the description box below. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll see you guys later. Bye.